everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is from Frozen. That's right, you don't have to thaw it out. It's in the slow cooker, and it's chicken legs. I wish they would throw me one of those bones. Mom says I could choke on one, and that's why she won't give it to me, but man, I wish she would. Anyway, this one is from Frozen. Chicken legs in the slow cooker. No thawing required. So you guys should give it a try. We're going to put a link to the recipe in the description box below. But it turned out delicious. They're all gone. We ate them all. So just wanted to let you know it's really good and really easy and so nice not to have to thaw something out, especially if you forgot. Anyway, hope you guys like our video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog.
Hi everyone, as Yoda said, we're making frozen chicken drumsticks or chicken legs, if you want to call them, in the slow cooker today. You want your slow cooker on high. I've sprayed it with olive oil already. And then I just dumped a 4-pound bag of frozen chicken drumsticks into the slow cooker, and I tried to arrange them to where the bottom is a single layer, kind of switched them back and forth, and then there's one over here and one over here. So tried to make it as much of a single layer as possible. You're gonna put a cup of barbecue sauce over them. Say this bottle's like 2 cups, so about half the bottle. Yep. So a cup of barbecue sauce over, put this on, cook on high 4 to 6 hours or until the internal temperature is 165. So here you go. We'll see how it turns out. All right, I also added the blend to it. So I shook that on there as well. Yep, they don't appreciate that. All right, so they're done. It was only 3 hours, so it doesn't take long on high, even if they're frozen. So 3 hours. Then we're gonna put the rest of the barbecue sauce on there, mix it together. And I told you I already put the blend on there, but they are done. I checked them. They need to be 165, and they are well above it. So we are good to go. Enjoy. Happy Monday. Bye.